Hey guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, we got a cool one for you today. We've got a Superformance Cobra, and this baby's got Carroll Shelby power under the hood. FE power, 427, all aluminum, dual fours. Man, you're gonna love checking this one out. Look at that beautiful paint work. Look at the side pipes, the real knockoffs. She is gorgeous. Look at the reflections in the paint. Look at that interior. It's got the lap belts in it. Now you can add the shoulder belts to this car. Look at that interior. Check out the dash, the wood steering wheel. She's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. We've got the chrome roll bar. Of course, knockoffs on the rear also. She is absolutely beautiful, guys. And check out this turntable, man. Isn't this sweet? Love it. Now inside the trunk here, we actually have a convertible top for this unit. Very, very cool if you get caught out in the rain. And there's enough room in there for a small set of golf clubs. You got to take this baby to the golf course. And of course, we got the signature fuel fill that all the Cobras have. Isn't that sweet? Man, she is beautiful, guys. You're gonna love it when we park this dream in your driveway. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we do not do any consignment whatsoever. We buy every one of our cars. We spend the time and check these babies out before we buy them. And then the first thing we do when we get them here is we get them up on the lift and we inspect them so Tom can answer every one of your questions. So call him anytime at 248-974-9513. Now Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day, so you can call him anytime you'd like. Now I've been in the business for about 35 years and I'm using that experience every day to help you pick out your dream car. All right, guys, I'm in the Cobra now, and unfortunately, the roads are wet, and I'm not driving this beautiful car on the wet roads today. So, I have driven this thing, and it is a rocket ship, man. It is making a bunch of horsepower, and it is beautiful, guys. And we will get it out and drive it and film it here. She's gorgeous. Everything's working good. You can see the tach's working. She sounds amazing. You know what? We're always taking phone calls. You can call Tommy anytime at 248-974-9513. We deliver anywhere in the world. We finance. Call Tom. He'll tell you all about the car. 248-974-9513. We'll take care of business. Anytime, Tom's always answering the phone. So give us a call and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway. All right, we're underneath this Superformance Cobra now, and you can see how nice and clean it is under here, man. All the paint's still beautiful. Of course, we got disc brakes under here. All the bushings look good. There is a sway bar back here. It's independent suspension. It's a 8.8 Ford rear end in here. 373 gear, limited slip rear end. That means it is a Posi, guys. Everything under here is looking sweet. It's got the aluminum housing out under here. Tremec 5-speed transmission, explosion-proof bell housing. It does have a hydraulic clutch on it. It looks like it's got a high torque starter. Of course, the headers are coated. Everything under here is looking sweet. We got Wilwood disc brakes up front also, coilovers holding it up. Everything under here is nice and clean. We got aluminum radiator up here. We got the oil cooler up here. Even the nose is beautiful, man. It is gorgeous under here. You can see the front tires. I can still see, still got nubs on the tires. The tires are looking sweet. Definitely brand new tires here. We got real knockoffs, just like they used to run on the real race cars. 255/60 15s. You can see the coating on the headers is looking sweet. As we work our way down the side here, of course we got more rubber out back. This is where the horsepower meets the ground. 275/60 15s out here, and again the real knockoffs here. Now remember, when you're taking these off, you always want to knock them off towards the front of the car when you're on the passenger side and the driver's side, so always hit them towards the front. That's how you take them off, and right there, that's where the music's coming out. Now let's get under the hood and check out where the music's coming from. All right, under the hood here, we got real deal motor here, guys. FE power, Carroll Shelby 427 here, all aluminum. We got aluminum water pump, aluminum block, aluminum intake. It's got dual fours on it, just like back in the day. Aluminum heads, aluminum valve covers. The intake, the valve covers are all polished up. I mean, this is an amazing machine, guys. It's got MSD fire. It's got MSD coil. Just beautiful under here, guys. It's got power brakes. The car's amazing. We got electric fans on the radiator. It does have an aluminum radiator in it. She is beautiful. It's got polished up aluminum firewall here. Like I said, the headers are jet coated up here on the engine side, and then they're blacked out on the outside just like they were on the race cars. So this is a Superformance, guys, which Carroll Shelby gave his stamp of approval for. It's got a Shelby motor in it. She's got a 5-speed. Just an amazing piece, guys. 427 power, just like they ran in the day. It's got the oval air cleaner that's been all polished up. I mean, one of my favorite cars, guys. Whenever I go to a car show, I'm jumping in a Shelby. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.